How do I prepare the ceramic tile surface before installing peel and stick tiles?
Welcome to this DIY tutorial. Today we're tackling a common home improvement task, installing peel and stick tiles. But before we get started with the actual installation, it's essential to correctly prepare the ceramic tile surface. Let's go step by step.
Why is surface preparation important?
Surface preparation is crucial to ensure the peel and stick tiles adhere properly. If not prepared correctly, tiles can peel off, not stick evenly, or have a shorter lifespan. Your surface needs to be clean, dry, and level for the best results.
How to clean the ceramic tile surface?
The first step to preparing your ceramic tile surface is to clean it thoroughly. Here's how. 1. Remove any dust or debris with a broom or vacuum cleaner. This will give you a clean starting point. 2. Clean the ceramic tiles with a mild detergent and warm water. This will help to remove any grime or residue. 3. Rinse the tiles well with clean water to ensure all the detergent is removed. 4. Let the surface dry completely. Any moisture can prevent the tiles from adhering properly.
How to level the surface?
After cleaning, the next step is to ensure your surface is level. Here's the process. 1. Inspect the ceramic tiles for any chipped, loose, or uneven tiles. 2. If you find any, they should be repaired or replaced before proceeding. 3. Use a leveling compound or filler to fill in any gaps or cracks. This will provide a smooth, even surface for your new tiles.
What's the final check?
Before you start with the installation, here's a final check. 1. Ensure the surface is completely dry. This is crucial for the adhesive on the tiles to stick properly. 2. Double-check for any uneven areas or remaining debris. 3. If everything checks out, you're ready to start laying your peel and stick tiles. Proper surface preparation is the key to a successful tile installation. With these steps, your ceramic tile surface will be ready for a beautiful transformation with peel and stick tiles. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and good luck with your project.